In this video, I will show you an Instagram settings that many people believe can improve how to there are recommended. While it doesn't generate your reel go to viral, it's worth trying before you get the settings. Let's look a few important tips. Watch the full video until the end so you don't miss anything. To create a reel that gets more viewers, you need to grab people's attention in the first 3 seconds. Start with strong hook such as interesting question, a surprising fact or useful tip. Keep your reels short, clear and engaging. Good lighting, clear video quality and easy to read caption make your content easier to watch. If it fits your content, use trending music or sound. Remove boring parts and use quick cut to keep viewers interested. Always give viewers a reason to watch by teaching something, solving a problem, entertaining them, or sharing useful information. Write a simple caption, use relevant hashtag and post consistently. Also check which your reels perform best and use what you learn to improve future videos. Now let's change the Instagram settings. Open the Instagram app, tap Profile, tap the menu. Select Content Preference. Tap specific word and phrases. Type the word will show you on the screen. Then tap Save or Done. That's it. Remember these settings alone won't make a reel go to viral. The biggest factor are create high quality, engaging content and posting consistently. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.